Next, another example. Write the formula of calcium nitrate. Write the formula of calcium nitrate. Write the formula of calcium nitrate. First, step 1. कौन कोई फर्स्ट स्टेप 1 ने लेफ्ट साइड रे कैटायन राइट साइड रे एनायन लिखिबा राइट साइड एनायन लिखिबा स्टेप 2 कैल्शियम NO3 कंपाउंड आयन थिले एनक्लोज ब्रैकेट करबा कंपाउंड आयन थिले एनक्लोज ब्रैकेट करबा स्टेप 3 कैल्शियम NO3 देखो कैल्शियम ऊपर 2 दबा NO3 ऊपर 1 दबा तापर स्टेप 4 and 5 कैल्शियम 2 NO3 1 क्रिस क्रॉस करेवा एटा कोन आसीबो कैल्शियम NO3 whole 2 this is the required formula for calcium nitrate. This is the required formula for calcium nitrate. Yeah. So this is the required formula for calcium nitrate. Yeah. So similarly, I have given the different formula of the compound in the notes given. So you will try to solve it. And another example I am also solving aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. So we can write aluminium chloride. First the left side the cation aluminium, right side anion aluminium chloride. There is no compound ion. Aluminium 3 chlorine 1 aluminium 3 this crisscross, so AlCl3. So this is the desired formula of aluminium. This is the desired formula of aluminium chloride. Is that clear? So this is all about. So you can similar way write the formula of different compounds or different substance. I have already given this chart. You will try to follow it in the notes. Next we will discuss it whenever the classes begins. Next we will discuss what is ions. And what is ions? We will discuss what is ions. An ion may be defined as an ion may be defined as an electrically charged atom, or group of atom. An ion may be defined as an electrically charged atom or group of atoms which behaves as a single unit in chemical changes, which behaves as a single unit in chemical changes. Look at this. An ion may be defined as an electrically charged atom or group of atoms which behaves as a single unit in chemical changes. Ion टा गोटे electrically charged atom गोटे atom ही पारे किंबा group of atom ही पारे. Electrically charged single atom ही पारे किंबा group of atom ही पारे. Single atom को generally जदि सेटा थिबो सेटा को हम कहबा simple ion, जदि group of atom थिबो ताको कहबा compound ion. Next we will discuss what is simple ion, what is compound ion. ता पूर्व आ गोटे जिनस कहबा ए जो चार्ज एटमटा सेटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज ही पारे किंबा नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव चार्ज ही पारे किंबा नेगेटिवली चार्ज ही पारे. पॉजिटिव चार्ज हेले ताको कुआ जिवो कैटायन, जदि नेगेटिव चार्ज हो ताको कोन कुआ जिवो एनायन. नेक्स्ट इज कैटायन और इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव आयन. नेक्स्ट इज कैटायन कैटायन और इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव आयन. cation or electropositive ion. The ion having a positive charge in it, the ion having a positive charge on it, जो ion ना ऊपर positive charge थी वो ताकि कौन कौन सी वो cation. The ion having a positive charge on it is called cation. The ion having a positive charge, the ion having a positive charge on it, the ion having a positive charge on it is called a cation. The ion having a positive charge on it is called a cation. Example: lithium plus, sodium plus, potassium plus, rubidium plus, calcium 2 plus, Pb2 plus. এই বলে एटी पुणी कैटायन से एनायनटा एटा जदि सिंगल पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो मोनोवैलेंट कैटायन, दुईटा थिले डाइवैलेंट कैटायन, तीनटा थिले ट्राइवैलेंट, चारटा थिले टेट्रावैलेंट, पेंटावैलेंट, सो क्लियर. सो दिस इज कैटायन और इलेक्ट्रो. द आयन हैविंग ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट, जो आयन ता ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो ताको कोन कहै जिवो कैटायन, जो आयन ता ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज थिबो ताको कोन कहै जिवो एनायन. नेक्स्ट, सो कैटायन का कहबो द आयन हैविंग ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट, जो आयन ऊपर पॉजिटिव, दिस इज आयन पॉजिटिव आयन, जो आयन्स ता ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो ताको कैटायन कहै जिवो. नेक्स्ट एनायन, एनायन और इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आयन, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आयन, एनायन और इलेक्ट्रो नेगेटिव आयन, anion or electronegative ion. The ion having a सेटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिला एडी कोन आसीबो the ion having a negative charge on it is called an anion. देखो, the ion having a negative charge, the ion having a negative charge on it, जो ion का ऊपर negative charge थिबो ताको कोन कहै जिवो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव आयन और anion. जो आयन ता ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो ताको कोन कहै जिवो कैटायन. लिथियम प्लस, सोडियम प्लस, पोटेशियम प्लस, रुबिडियम प्लस, कैल्शियम प्लस 2 लेड 2 प्लस एटा ला कोन कैटायन. जो आयन्स ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज थी ताको कौन कह एनायन एग्जांपल F minus Cl minus Br minus O2 minus है SO4 minus ये जो minus उड़ा these are called SO4 minus. So these are the examples of anion. But two things come into this picture. What are these? First is cation, second is anion. So cation क्या कहवा जो आयन्स रे पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो ता ऊपर पॉजिटिव देखो लिथियम ऊपर पॉजिटिव अछि सोडियम ऊपर पॉजिटिव आयन अछि पोटेशियम ऊपर पॉजिटिव अछि द आयन्स हैविंग ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट इज कॉल्ड cation. जो आयन्स ऊपर जो एटम्स ऊपर पॉजिटिव आयन्स हैविंग ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट ताको कोन कहै जिवो cation. जो आयन्स ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज थिबो ताको कोन कहै जिवो anion. क्लियर ता पर आसीबो simple ions cation anion ता पर आसीबो simple ion काको कहला it is an ion which contains one or more atoms of the same element गुटे एलिमेंट नो माने it is an ion which contains it is an ion which contains it is an ion which contains one or more atoms of the same element. It is an ion which contains one or more atoms of the same element. जो आयन्स टार which contain one or more atom गोटे कि गोटे अधिक एटम्स थिबो of the same element समान एलिमेंट ताकू कोन कहै जिवो ना simple ions suppose S2 minus O2 minus O2 2 minus etc. देखो simple it is an ion which contains one or more atoms of the same element गोटे समान एलिमेंट रो ए सल्फर रो S2 minus O2 minus O2 2 minus these are called simple ions. So simple ion का कहबा जो आयन्स रे गोटे कि गोटे रो अधिक एटम्स थिबा of the same element समान एलिमेंट रो ताकू कोन कहै जिवो simple ions. Simple ions का कहै जिवो very clear thing simple ion आमे आपको कहबा जहार गोटे कि गोटे रो अधिक एटम्स of the same element थिबो same element रो गोटे कि गोटे रो अधिक एटम्स थिबो ताकू कोन कहबा simple ions. Next is compound ions. এই যে S2 মাইনাস আয়নটাকে এটা কোন কইব সালফাইড আয়ন এটা আসব অক্সাইড আয়ন এটা পেরক্সাইড আয়ন এটা এই যে এটা কইব সালফাইড আয়ন অক্সাইড আয়ন পেরক্সাইড আয়ন এই যে S2 মাইনাস টা কোন কই যায় সালফাইড আয়ন S2 মাইনাস টা সালফাইড আয়ন এটা O2 minus টা oxide ion O2 2 minus টা peroxide ion clear. So these are all simple ions. Next we will discuss what is compound ions. Next we will discuss what is compound ions. Clear. What is compound ions? Compound ions. It consists of it consists of two or more atoms. It consists of two or more atoms. It consists of two or more atoms of different elements, forming a different elements, forming a single unit. देखो very important things, compound ions काफी हमें करें. Compound ion का कहवा, it consists of two or more atoms, दुईटा कि मैं दुईटा अधिक atoms थिबो of different element, अलग element, forming a single unit. Single unit like, for example, SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. এটা কোন আছে? Sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. देखो ये जो sulfate ion है, it consists of two or more atoms of different elements. Sulfur गोटे atom, oxygen गोटे atom. Oxygen केतरा अछि? चारटा अछि. Then it consists of two or more atoms of different elements forming a single unit. एटा गोटे unit formation करूछि. गोटे unit formation करूछि. So SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. So it consists of two or more atoms of different elements forming a single unit SO4 2 minus, that is called compound ions. Hela. Another example, NO3 minus, nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. तापरे PO4 3 minus, phosphate ion. देखो तीनटा जिनिस, it compound ion consists of two or more atoms, सबुतरे दुईटा कि दुईटा अधिक, एटी सल्फर ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन, फास्फोरस ऑक्सीजन. It consists of two or more atoms of different element. Different element अछि forming a single unit. Forming a single, ए जो सल्फेट टा गोटे यूनिट, NO3 माइनस टा गोटे यूनिट, फॉस्फेट टा गोटे यूनिट. So sulfate ion, एटा ला nitrate ion, एटा ला phosphate ion. Is that clear? So this is all about compound ion. What is compound ion? It consists of two or more atoms, दुईटा कि दुईटा अधिक atoms थिबो of different element, अलग element. एटी सल्फर गोटे element, ऑक्सीजन गोटे element, नाइट्रोजन गोटे element, ऑक्सीजन गोटे element, phosphorus गोटे element, ऑक्सीजन गोटे another element. So it consists of two or more atoms of different elements forming a single unit. Clear? So this is all about ions. First आमे ions कौन कहले, तापर cation कौन, cations ला positive ions, positive charge, the ions having a positive charge on it. Cations, the ions having a negative charge on it, that is anion. तापर simple ion, it consists of one same atom. It consists of two or more atoms of different elements. Simple ions are atoms of the same element. It consists of two or more atoms of different element. Simple ions are same element. It is different element. That is different element. Single unit formation kala mane compound ions. Same element ka simple ions. So first, what is ions? Then what is cations? What is anions? What is simple ions? What is compound ions? Clear? So this is all about the ions. Next we will discuss the different characteristics of, next we will discuss what is an acid, what is an base, what is an salt, etc. Next we will discuss what is acid, what is base, and what is a salt. Clear? Next we will discuss what is an acid. Acid first हम डिस्कस करिबा, acid हम काहाकू कहू. Acid what are the properties what are the properties of acid first acid काहाकू कहबा acid is first definition acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous. Acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. पानी रे जो substance टा H plus ion produce करियो ताको हमें कौन कहबा acid. तारो सिंपल हमें कोई परिबा suppose HCl plus H2O एटा दबो H plus ions aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. It H plus produce like na H plus produce. So the acid is defined as any substance जो substance टा water रे H plus ion produce करिवो सेटा कोन कहबा acid. ता कोन कहबा acid. So acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. आउट एग्जांपल ले परिबा HNO3 plus water. HNO3 plus water. एटा कोन दबो H plus aqueous plus NO3 minus H plus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous. देखो एटी भी H plus ion produce होला कि नहीं एटी H plus ion produce होला ताको कोन कहबा acid. So acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. पानी रे जोटा H plus ion produce करिवो ताको कोन कहबा acid. So we will take the examples of different acid. Suppose HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, HBr, etc. These are the examples of acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid. HNO3, nitric are example hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrobromic acid. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrobromic acid. Clear? So these are the examples of acid. Next, what are the properties of acid? Acid properties what? Acid sida suppose they have sour taste. Sida khata lage. Kon lage? Khata lage. So this is the properties of good property acid. Then comes blue litmus red. এটা মনে করে ইজি ওয়ে হচ্ছে আলকালি নালিক করে কাম আল যেটা বেস আর আলকালি সেটা রেড টু আলকালি নালিক করে কাম রেড টু ব্লু আলকালি ভেরি সিম্পল ওয়ে টু রিমেম্বার আলকালি নালিক করে কালি রেড টু ব্লু তাহলে এটা কোন আছে ব্লু টু রেড লিটমাস পেপারটা তো যদি অ্যাসিড ব্লু লিটমাস পেপারটা ঘুরাই দেব সেটা কোন আসিব ব্লু litmus changes to red. So next characteristics. What are the properties of acid? So first we will discuss what is acid. Acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous. Acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. Clear? Acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. Tapore next is the properties of acid. Properties of acid. First, they have sour taste. They have sour taste. They have sour taste. Sour মানে খটা লাগে। সেটা কোন লাগে? অ্যাসিডটা জেনারেলি খটা লাগে। তুমি খাই দিও শুধু অ্যাসিড এই যে টমেটো খটা লাগে। টমেটো ইজ অ্যাসিডিক। ଆଉ ମୋର ସେ ଏନି ଦହିରେ ଲାକ୍ଟିକ୍ ଦହିରେ ଏସିଡ୍ ଅଛି, ତୁମର ଟମାଟୋରେ ଅଛି, କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କ୍ସ ପିଉଛ ସେଥିରେ ବି ଏସିଡ୍, ପେପ୍ସି କୋକାକୋଲା ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଏସିଡ୍. So there are so many acidic food, but very important thing is that ଯଦି ଆମେ acidic food ଖାଉଛେ ତଥାପି ଆମ ବଡି ତାକୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି, because we will discuss later in the syllabus that our blood is the best example of buffer solution. So what is buffer solution? Buffer solution is such a solution which resists the pH value upon the addition of small amount of acid, base or salt to it. Buffer solution का pH value change करे ना. जदियो we are consuming acidic food तो आम बॉडी रे सेरा pH टा चेंज करू ना. सेदी पे that is God gifted. Blood is God gifted. Blood is the best example of buffer solution. Although we are consuming acidic food, still we are maintaining. तापरे भी जो न पालो अधिका खाइले एसिड हेबो कोन अछि अधिका जति कि पारला तुम्हारा ब्लड बफर सॉल्यूशन तापरे भी जो एक्सेस खाइलो अछि कोन कहै डेफिनेशन अनुसार buffer solution is such a solution whose pH value does not change appreciably if we add small amount of acid, base or salt to it. Clear? So first, what are the properties of acid? They have sour taste, khata lage. Second one, they turn blue litmus. They turn blue litmus red. They turn blue litmus red. Third, they react with certain metals. They react with certain metals to produce hydrogen. They react with certain metals to produce hydrogen. They react with base. They react with base to give salt and water. They react with base to give salt and water. Therefore, these are the very important characteristics of acid. So very important first characteristic, they have sour taste. कौन लागिवो खट्टा लागिवो. They have sour taste. Second, they turn blue litmus red. Blue litmus paper टा जो acid में बुड़ाइवो सेटा कोडा को change हो red. This is very important characteristic. They turn blue litmus red. Best आगो red to blue. Alkali नाली को करे काली red to blue. Then acid टा जब react करिवो किसी metal सहित से कौन produce करिवो hydrogen gas liberate करिवो. They react with base. It is very important. All four are very important properties of acids. They react with base. से base से तो react कले कौन दबो salt out water दबो. Salt out water दबो. So these are the important characteristics of acid. Clear? These are the important characteristics of acid. Next is base. Next we will discuss what is base. So actually acid is the first, there are different definitions of acid, you will read in the syllabus whenever you discuss the ionic equilibrium chapter, and in this chapter there are so many definitions of acid or bases is given. As first is Arrhenius concept, then Bronsted and Lewis concept, Bronsted and Lowry concept, third is Lewis concept. We have discussed only the Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept acid is defined as any substance which gives or produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. जोटा aqueous solution में H plus ions produce करियो ताको कौन कहते acid. जो देखेगा रिएक्शन का जोटा H plus ions produce करियो ताको कौन कहते acid. Clear? आउ जोटा खट्टा लागुथो कौन लागुथो टेस्ट खट्टा लागुथो दही खाइले खट्टा लागुची टमाटो खाइले कौन लागुची खट्टा लागुची. So we are consuming so many acids also. We are consuming day-to-day life. We are consuming so many acidic food also, but it maintains in our body system. But it maintains in our body system. Is that clear? So this is all about the important first chapter characteristic. First class they have sour taste. So that called khata lagiyo. Tapore they turn blue litmus to red. सेटा कोन लागियो ब्लू लिटमस पेपर टा को जदी बुडे दलो एसिड भितरे सेटा कोन हो रेड को कन्वर्ट होइबो कोन कन्वर्ट होइबो रेड को दे टर्न ब्लू लिटमस रेड तापरे किछि मेटल सहित से रिएक्ट करले हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट करियो किछि मेटल सहित सेटा रिएक्ट करले हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट करियो जानिला तापरे एसिड टा जदी बेस सहित रिएक्ट करियो एसिड टा जदी बेस सहित रिएक्ट करियो कोन दो सॉल्ट आउट वाटर acid टा बेस सहित रिएक्ट करले salt और water दबो. Clear? Next is base. Next is base. Base is defined as any substance. Base is defined as any substance which produce. Base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Base का कोई बात जोटा OH minus ions aqueous solution ने OH minus ions produce करथुवा ताकू कौन कहबा base. So what is acid? Acid is defined as any substance which produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. ताकू acid कहले. Base का कहबा base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ions in aqueous जोटा OH minus ions produce करथुवा aqueous solution है ताकू कौन कहबा base. Clear? Next example NaOH, KOH, CaOH whole 2, BaOH whole 2. So sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. So these are the examples of bases. These are the examples of bases. It is बतन धरो NaOH, another sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Look at sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. So these are the examples of bases. এইটা যদি suppose sodium hydroxide plus water এটা কোন দেব Na plus aqueous OH minus aqueous Na plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous clear KOH দিল KOH plus H2O K plus aqueous OH minus aqueous clear so look at NaOH plus H2O Na plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous KOH plus H2O কোন দাঁড়া K plus aqueous plus এটি OH minus production হলা এটা দেখো look at OH minus here OH minus so base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ion. Base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution that we call base. So sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. These are the examples of bases. And bases no ओडिया में बोले bases is any base का एवोलिया substance जो का water में dissolve सही कौन produce करियो OH minus ion produce करियो OH minus ion produce करियो clear so base is defined as any substance which produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution clear NaOH KOH calcium hydroxide barium hydroxide etc. Next, properties of bases. What are the properties of bases? सेठी एसिड फास्ट प्रॉपर्टीज कोन लगी दिले दे हैव सावर टेस्ट एठी कोन आसीबो बिटर टेस्ट सेठी कोन आसला खटा लागुतला एठी बिटर मींस खट फास्ट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ bases properties of best bitter BITT bitter test BITTER bitter test এটা কোন লাগিব খারুয়া লাগিব that is called a bitter test এটা ফার্স্ট প্রপার্টি তারপরে bitter test next আসিব আর sloppy or slippery feeling slippery sloppy जरा कह जाए एरा कर दियो soppy और slippery feeling soppy SOAPY soppy और slippery SLI slippery एटा कर दबा SLIPP एटा SLIPPRY soppy और slippery feeling slippery माने खसखस लागो माने खसरी जाऊ बोला साबुनटा देखो तुम्हारा साबुनटा उदाई गला पर धन कोन खसरी जाय तो से बोले soppy और slippery feeling बेस रो इला इंपोर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इंपोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेस टा धरला माने हाथ रे खसरी जीवार लागे soppy feeling हो bitter test खारुआ लागियो soppy और slippery feeling third is they turn কোন আছে red litmus to blue they turn red litmus to blue red litmus এটা red litmus paper कर दियो they turn red litmus paper to blue देखा red litmus paper टाको जदी बेस भीतर पड़ेबो कोन आसीबो रेड टा चेंज हिजबो को कलर को ब्लू कलर को रेड लिटमस पेपर टाको जदि बेस रे बुड़ेइबो सेटा कोन रंग चेंज हो ब्लू को चेंज हेई दिबो हैला सो दे टर्न रेड लिटमस पेपर टू ब्लू सोपी और स्लीपरी फीलिंग हाथ रे धरले खसखस लागिबो खसरी जीवा भले लागिबो बिटर टेस्ट को टेस्ट खारो लागिबो तापर रिएक्ट विथ एसिड फोर्थ पॉइंट they react with acid. They react with acid to form. They react with acid to form salt and water. They react with acid. They react with acid to form salt and water. ସେଇଟା एसिड सहित रिएक्ट करी ସେଇଟା एसिड सहित रिएक्ट करी कोन दबो सॉल्ट और वाटर दबो क्लियर सो एई चारटा मेन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेसेस देखो बिटर टेस्ट कोन लागिवो खारवा लागिवो सोपी और स्लिपरी फीलिंग आतु कोन हो सोपी माने खसरी जाउथबो से बढिया फीलिंग आसीबो साबुन रे उदा करके हाथ में कोन खसरी जाय से बढिया सोपी और स्लिपरी फीलिंग दे टर्न रेड लिटमस पेपर टू ब्लू लिटमस पेपर यदि रेड लिटमस पेपर बुड़ेब से चेंज हो कौट ब्लू को जदि रेड लिटमसटा ब्लू को चेंज है दैट विल इंडिकेट बेस दैट विल इंडिकेट बेस तापर बेसटा रिएक्ट कर एसिड सहित जदि एसिडटा बेस सहित कि बेसटा एसिड सहित रिएक्ट कर कौन दब सॉल्ट आउ वाटर दब कौन दब सॉल्ट दब आउ वाटर दब क्लियर आउ वेरी इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये मार्क करूँ वाटर soluble bases are called alkalis. Water soluble bases are called alkali. All bases are not alkali, but all alkalis are bases. Very important point. Let us mark. All bases are not alkali, but all alkalis are bases. Only water soluble bases will call alkali. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali because only water soluble bases are called alkalis. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Only water soluble, जोड़ा water soluble base ताको कौन कहते alkali. There is difference किसी नहीं only base of alkali तो difference ला water soluble base ला को alkali कहते हैं. Next. So water soluble bases are called alkali. Next हला आमे आउट पॉइंट मार्क करले एसिड सहित बेस रिएक्ट कर कोन होता एसिड सहित जो बेस रिएक्ट करला सेटा कोन होता सॉल्ट और वाटर को नेक्स्ट आमे सॉल्ट करला नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज salts salts are compound between salts are compound between metallic salts are compound between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Non-metallic ions. That is very important point. Salts are compound between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Salt रे दुईटा ions थिबो जनरली गोटे metallic ion आउ डला non-metallic ion. Suppose example NaCl. Suppose example हम गोटे very important NaCl, KCl, etc. देखो यही NaCl salts are compound between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. सेठी metallic ion थिबो आउ कोन non-metallic ion थिबो. Metallic ion कोनटा Na डाला metallic ion, Cl डाला Na डाला metallic ion, Cl डाला non-metallic ion. K plus डाला metallic ion, Cl डाला non-metallic ion. So generally salts are compounds between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Very important point. Salts are compounds between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. But then how salt is formed? Already we have discussed how salt is formed because acid react with base to give salt and water. Acid react with base to give salt and water. Here we will discuss, look at, each of salts are compound between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Salts are compound between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Metallic NaCl ले कोटा metallic part, ये जो NaCl ले Na plus part वाला metallic, Cl minus वाला non-metallic. KCl ले K plus वाला metallic, Cl minus वाला non-metallic. So salts are always the compound. Salts are always the compounds between metallic ions and non-metallic ions. Salt रे definitely गोटे metallic ions थिबो, आउ गोटे कौन आसु non-metallic ions थिबो, हैला. Salt से गोटे metallic ions थिबो, आउ गोटे कौन थिबो non-metallic ions थिबो. Clear? आउ गोटे पॉइंट लिखि परिबा, an acid reacts with an acid reacts with a base to give salt and water. Acid react with a base to give salt and water. This is very important thing. Acid react with a base to give salt and water. But then one example now. HCl plus NaOH. Look at it is acid. It is like what? Base. Acid react with base to give NaCl plus H2O. It is NaCl, salt, water. Look at here. Acid react with base. Acid react with base to give salt and water. Acid react with base to give salt and water. That is very important thing. So salts, how salts are formed? When acid react with the base, that produce salt and water. ये जो salt है, गुटे cation part थी वो, गुटे anion part थी वो. Generally cation part का metallic part, anion part का non-metallic part. Cation part का metallic part, और anion part का non-metallic part. Clear? So in salts, generally there are two ions. One is positive ion, the cation should be metallic part, and the Cl minus negative ions, that is non-metallic part. That is non-metallic part. Clear? Na plus is cation, Cl minus is anion. Na plus is cation, Cl minus is anion, and cation part generally metallic part, anion part generally non-metallic part. So this is all about salts. Out a reaction लिखिबा, suppose KOH it लिखिबा KOH plus HCl. এটা কোন আসিব? KCl plus water, এটা হলো base, এটা হলো acid, এটা হলো কোন salt, এটা হলো water. Base plus acid that gives salt plus water. Base plus acid that gives salt plus water. Another examples, NaOH, I would example douchi. So acid plus base that gives salt plus water, HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2O, KOH plus HCl, KCl plus H2O. Next example I am giving. Next examples. NaOH plus NaOH টা কোন আছে? NaOH টা হলো বেস, এইটা হলো অ্যাসিড, এইটা হলো সল্ট, এটা হলো ওয়াটার। ক্লিয়ার? বেস প্লাস অ্যাসিড, base plus acid react with salt and base plus acid react to give salt and water. In salt, Na plus is the cation part, Br minus is the anionic part. Na plus ta cationic part that is metallic, Br minus ta anionic part that is non metallic. Br minus ta anion part that is non metallic, और Na plus ta metallic. Na plus is metallic part, Br minus is non metallic part. Clear? Our example दवा L aluminium OH aluminium hydroxide plus 3HCl. 3HCl. এটা হলো বেস, এটা কেমন হবে? LCl3 3H2O. এটা হলো this is base, this is acid. Acid plus base gives salt and water. Look at it. So base plus acid, this gives salt. এটা কোন আছে? L3 plus Cl minus. এটা হলো অ্যালুমিনিয়াম, Cl minus. এটা হলো metallic part, এটা হলো non metallic part. So this is all about salts. How the reaction? The reaction is very important point. This is all about salts. Next, our key points: the reaction of an acid with a base the reaction of an acid with a base is called neutralization. Neutralization is called, the reaction of an acid with a base is called neutralization. The reaction of an acid with a base is called, so neutralization reaction is the reaction in which acid react with a base. Acid react with a, that is acid is neutralized by base. So acid react with base to produce salt and water. That is neutralization reaction. That is called neutralization. So acid, the reaction of an acid with a base is called neutralization. So neutralization reaction is such a reaction in which acid react with a base to produce salt and water. Clear? Neutralization reaction is such a reaction in which acid react with the base to produce salt and water. Neutralization reaction is such a reaction in which acid react with the base to produce salt and water. Next, this is all about next. We are already discussing what is acid, what is base, and what is salt. What is acid, what is base, and what is salt. Another thing already in between this I have discussed, what is alkali. Alkali, water soluble bases are called alkali. Water soluble bases are called alkali. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali, because only water soluble bases are called alkali. We cannot call all bases are alkali. Only the water soluble bases are called alkali. Clear? Only the water soluble bases are called alkali. So we cannot treat all the bases are alkali. Only water soluble bases are alkali. But all alkalis are bases. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Yes. So this is all about acid, base, and salt. So acid, base, and salt, and alkali. Clear? So you can write the formula. In this class, to formula lekhiba sikideli, step different step apply kari formula lekhiba, about what is acid, what is base, and what is alkali. जानी गला. तो अपन next class we will discuss about the different formula. बर्तन तुम्हें I am giving one question. Write the formula of sodium phosphate. Question last is write the formula of sodium phosphate. Write the formula of sodium phosphate. This is home task. Yes. Otherwise, you will solve these questions by different methods we have already discussed. Applying this principle, previous class and this class. Previous class we have discussed only the formula, qualitative and quantitative representation, how to write formula. Next, this class we have discussed the problems of formula, how to write it. This is also one problem I am giving. So write the formula of sodium sulfate. And what is ions? In this class we have discussed what is ions, what is simple ions, what is compound ions, what is cations, what is anions, and what is acid, what is base, what is salt, what is alkali. Thank you.